Return of the jolly sandwich maker, it's Sandwich Dad. Hello. Today we're heading to the club. The Legitimate Businessman's Social Club. That's the club I've invented that I'm going to make today. But first, the components. We need to garlic up our bread. So back in time we will go to when the toast was merely bread. Then we put some garlic butter on it and toasted it. And then it was garlic bread. Next, the chicken parmesan. Well, first we pounded out some chicken, put it in an egg wash with some seasoned breadcrumbs with some parmesan, sprinkle it with flour, dip, and fry. Then a bit of sauce on there, the provolone, and into the air fryer. That's the chicken. For the bacon for this club, we're using some locally made pancetta. Frying that up a little bit. And for our roughage, a bit of a grinder salad. Onions, pepperoncinis, mayo, mustard, red wine, vinegar, olive oil, oregano, mix, stir, put in the lettuce, there it is. Okay, back to the present where we can start assembling our sandwich. We're going to put down some mortadella, a bit of salami, some gabagool, some provolone, and then some muffuletta mix from my pals at JP Graziano's in Chicago. That's right, the first floor of our club is a makeshift muffuletta. Then a little bit of marinara, our chicken parm, followed up by our crispy pancetta, made from local Yukon pork, of course. Next, some nice fresh tomatoes, which we're going to put on some salt and pepper, of course, followed by our grinder salad. Then we slap a jaunty garlic bread cap on there, and this is our Legitimate Businessman's Social Club sandwich. This may just be my masterpiece. All right, time to cut diagonally and reveal. Almost hypnotizing, isn't it? I could look into it forever. But alas, we must taste. Now, when a tiny-mouthed individual like myself is facing a large sandwich, we do the double bite. Flip it sideways, 1 bite, 2 bites. Then we get everything all in 1 bite. I mean, how could this not be good? Why would I rate it? The Legitimate Businessman's Social Club. Sandwich Dad, good day!